Hi guys, I'm Young. Have you guys decided on what to do for your summer holiday? I'm sure you guys are watching my channel because you guys are interested in getting some nice shots of your holidays and your time spent with your beloved ones. So today I actually want to sort of go through and how I actually get the music. Over the last couple of years, when I really started being interested about making videos and so on, I actually tried many different sites, and now I really kind of stick to about like 3-4 ways in getting my music. I mean, it still takes some time, but at least you sort of narrow down your channel. So here I'm going to share with you like 5 free sources as well as 1 paid source. So here we go. Oh, before we sort of move on to the music, I hope you guys sort of like my lighting. I'm kind of trying to do different things. That light is from Light Smart. I bought it. So the light bulb that's actually lighting up this area and sort of the color is changing right now is Xiaomi E-Light. So I'll do a proper review of all the lights in my studio very soon. But today is all about music. I mean, you guys know music is so important. So for example, my previous video that I showed on my channel where 2 million people in Hong Kong were participating in peaceful demonstration, without effective music, I think it's gonna feel very different. And those are the examples, and I think I made my point pretty clear. So first, onto the 4 tips on where I get the free sources of music. And luckily, we do have so many nice sources. So the first is the vlog no copyright. They do collect all this music from different artists in the world, where you can actually freely use the music, especially when you're doing it for non-commercialized videos, and also you can like upload it on YouTube and so on. But there are so many different types of music and there are so many different types of artists, and I actually want to really mention this one guy that I discovered through this vlog no copyright music channel, and that is Ixon. I find his music quite like pure, light, but also quite emotional as well. So some of his music is obviously very popular, and he does produce new music, and especially the last couple of weeks he's been releasing some of the new tracks. I really love them, and especially when I do like vlog kind of video, he's one of the first artists that I actually just re-listen to pick out the music. Since I've already used so many of his music, I think he definitely deserves a special mention in this video. Now the third channel that I refer to a lot is the no copyright sounds. I mean, that's the channel that probably all of you guys know, because this channel has 22.4 million subscribers. But I find no copyright sounds really good, especially for those videos when I try to show cityscape, especially the nighttime cityscape where there's a lot of like speed, beat and so on. And you want to definitely check out NCS. One of the artists that I particularly like that gets featured a lot in this channel is Tobu. So these music are sort of like also, I turned back on the Light Smart LED light because my external charger that was connected to died on me just now. Now, onto the 4th free source where I get the music. So, when you only play one song in your travel video, then it can get a tiny bit boring. I mean, what if there is a scene where there are birds, insects, waterfall? Where do I get those cool sound effects? So I actually get it from this site called orangefreesounds.com. So all you need to do is like search waterfall, and then it will give you some very basic sound effect, which really can enhance your video. But of course, sometimes the different choice that they have may not be enough. Then I go into the 5th source that I refer to, which is actually a paid source. So you may want to first try to get all the sound from the free sources first, but as you get more serious about creating videos and so on, you might actually want to consider this last resort, which is now one of the main source of music and sounds for me. And of course, I think there are actually many different such sites, but I actually use Epidemic Sounds. I was thinking about using it, and then luckily they contacted me a few months ago. Because with the free music, sometimes like the search can be quite hard, the variety might not be there. So these are super easy to use, especially with the search function. So you can actually type, if say like happy holiday music, then literally just type happy holiday music and you get some music like tropical holiday. Something like this. Okay, shut up. Yeah. And there are search functions where you can actually find something similar. They also categorize it by the types of instrument that they use, as well as like whether it sounds epic, sort of tech, or scary, mysterious, and so on. So you can really, it's so easy to find those music and download it for your use in your YouTube videos or personal videos. I mean, if you guys want to try out this Epidemic Sounds and also support my channel, then please do so with the link down below. I mean, you do get 30-day free trial. So now that holiday is coming up, you know, do listen to a lot of music and maybe have some music in your heads before you go on holiday, because it's kind of nice to sort of fit in some key points to the music that you have in your mind. So of course the thing to do is now go out and get some footage, not a lot, but a lot of different fun clips so that you can edit the video, play some music, and that will be the video to impress friends, family, and of course for you guys to actually keep them memories compact and sweet with the music. So let's go. See you.